Okay guys, welcome back. In this class we will talk about setuping lab. Okay, first is just type VMware station. Sorry, VMware workstation. Okay, you guys can see this. Okay, click on the first link. You can download the free version. Okay, you can simply download this. I just already downloaded this. Okay, hope you guys seeing this. Okay, I just already downloaded this. Okay, now we need to set up our lab. Okay, let me open. Already I have a lot of virtual machines here. Okay, click on the file. Okay, new virtual machine. Okay, click on the typical. Next, see, you need ISO file. Okay, you need a ISO file. You can simply, I will share one link. Okay, yes, I will share a one link. You will get a 2017 version of that. Okay, which is cracked, I think so. Okay, you can use it. Okay, simply I am using that one. I will share this link to you. Okay, you guys can easily make this. Okay, like let me click on the next, and you guys just see here, just type the password according to you. Okay, let me type for course for Udemy. Okay, just type here password according to you. Let me type something according to me. Okay, like, okay, next, yes. Okay, virtual name, just I will change to Udemy because I am making this lab for Udemy purpose. Okay, let me browse this and let me create in E. Okay, click on E and create on the make new. Okay, just remove it and add Udemy. I'm making for the Udemy. You can name it as you can. Okay, simply. Okay, right, what is this? Basically I am storing each and every file in the E section. Okay, E, what is this? Leave it. Okay, I am storing in E. Okay, next, minimum you need to give more than, just give 20. Okay, 20 or 25. Okay, we no need much. See, I don't want I will teach you one method which can easily, okay, leave it. I will teach practically. Okay, simply store virtual disk as a single file. Next, okay, click on the hardware. Let me store as a 4 GB. This is a RAM. Okay, let me give 4 GB and let me give processor to 4. Okay, let me give as a 422. Okay, now let me close this and simply finish. Okay, it's creating disk. Okay, I think it's take some time. Okay, let me pause the video. Okay, successfully created. Okay, Udemy, see it's booting. Okay, press any key. Let me press CD or something. Okay, it's loading. Setup is starting. Okay, let me close this. Right, you can also use a Microsoft one. Okay, but I don't prefer to use that. Okay, just click on the Windows 10, click on the next. Okay, it's take a something like 10 to 15 minutes, I think so. Okay, just wait it. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's take more than 15 minutes. Okay, let me pause the video. Okay, see, after I think so 8 minutes. Okay, it's taken 8 minutes. Okay, now it's getting ready. Right, let me full screen it. Okay, just to get full screen, just click this. Okay, yes. Okay, now it will take some time. Okay, like 5 minutes. Okay, it will take 5 minutes. Just leave it. Okay, let me pause. Okay guys, after a long, like 5 minutes, I think so, it's booted. Okay, let me, okay, right, we are getting, okay. Okay, it's automatically take the full screen. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, now it's restarting. Okay, let's wait. It successfully installed Windows 10 as a virtual machine. Okay, okay, let me type my password here. Okay, let me enter. Okay, don't want to know. Okay, this is our what virtual machine of Android device. Okay, in next class we will set up the Linux here. Okay, just watch it. Okay, it's not a completely Linux, but it's a little bit different. Okay, okay, let me pause the video. Sorry, stop.